back to my class. We have Igbo language. Still on preposition. We are going to see a topic that says near. Class, repeat after me. Near. Near in Igbo, it means nso. Near, nso. Ihe dị nso. Something that is closer. Let's see them in sentences. You can see these two objects. This is a plate. In Igbo, it is called afere. Class, say it. Afere. Plate, afere. This is also a cup. Say it. A cup. Cup in Igbo, it means iko. Iko. Okay. Let's see them in sentences. Sentence number 1A says, this cup is near the plate. This cup is near the plate. Remember, this signifies a singular thing. Ihe dị otu. Ihe dị otu, ndị nso. A singular thing that is near. We use this. T-H-I-S, this. This cup is near the plate. This cup, it is near the plate. Ihe ọ pụtara bụ na iko a dị afere nso. Iko dị afere nso in Igbo. Let's see another sentence. Sentence number 2 says, you can see this church, and this is Mazi Okeke. Sentence says, Mazi Okeke no nso n'ụlọ ụka. Mazi Okeke no nso n'ụlọ ụka. Ndị klaasị anyị, ka m jụọ unu, Mazi Okeke ọ nọ ebe tere aka n'ụlọ ụka? Mba. Mazi Okeke no nso n'ụlọ ụka. Meaning in English, Mazi Okeke is near the church. Say it again. Mazi Okeke is near the church. You can see him standing closer to the church. Can I ask you, class, is Mazi Okeke far away from the church? No. Mazi Okeke is near the church. Mazi Okeke nọ nso na ụlọ ụka. Like our video, share them, recite the ones that we have taught. Follow us for more. Bye.